Hello friends. Oh, you're way zoomed in. Let me help you out there. Okay. Can you see me now? Today, I'm going to be doing another dome, but this is going to be for the purpose of making a snow globe. So, I'm excited to try this snow globe out. And yeah, you guys have seen me make these before. Same old process. So let's just jump into the time lapse and we will come back after I have unmolded this and am ready to make it into a snow globe. Hang tight, guys. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alrighty guys, so here's the base, by the way, if you were worried that I hadn't poured one. I did. This is not the base that I poured. Gotcha! This is the base that I poured. And the problem is, my resin was setting up, so I got these huge bubbles in the bottom. So to heck with it, I just grabbed this one from another one that I had already poured like many moons ago. And there it is. But anyway, let's go ahead and unmold this. And then we are going to attach some stuff to the base, fill it up with water and glitter, and make us a snow globe out of it, yeah? Does that sound good to you guys? It sounds good to me. Alright, I will have to sand this down a little bit around the edge. Okay. And then if you have this mold, by the way, if you have this mold and you struggle with unmolding it, it's super easy actually. A lot of people will be like, oh, just add, you know, water and soap and stuff to it. You don't even really have to do that. So what I do is I loosen up the edges right here. Like this. I just pull back the edges. Just to kind of loosen it away from the mold. And then I set it up with its little feet. And I roll it down like you're rolling a tube sock. Yeah? So just like that. And boom, comes right out. And then all you have to do is just flip this back the right way. Like this, and there you go. This turned out fantastic, by the way. Very little bubbles in it, very few. So, before we sand this down, let's go ahead and attach these things to this. And I'm wondering if I should, I think I should. I'm going to scratch up the bottom of this a little bit using my X-Acto knife. So that when I glue these down, the glue will actually stick to it. So I've got these Fairy Garden pieces. These are from the Dollar Tree, like, oh God, I can't even remember how many years ago I got these. So I'm going to use one of these little fairies. So I'll use him. And then maybe this little welcome sign right here. Choose that. Oop. Cute. Because even though I've talked a lot about Halloween lately, it is still summer. It's still August. And then I think I'm going to use this little one that says welcome right here. Okay. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just figuring out where they're sitting in here. And then I'm going to pick it up and just kind of scratch into it a little bit. And this is just going to give a place for the glue to actually connect to the resin. Alright, let's scratch you up right here. Hopefully you guys can, oh, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see the scratch marks right there? So again, I'm just scratching it up to give it something to grip onto. And then we'll scratch right here. And I just realized I have two welcome signs. So let's do, I guess we'll do this one instead of that one. Yeah. So we'll take this one out, put it back where it's supposed to go. Where it will never be touched again. No, I'm kidding. I do eventually plan to use my hoard, guys. It's just a matter of when, you know? Anyway. Alright, so our little guy's gonna go there. And then we have this one right here. And this one right here. Very good. Okay. So, you can totally see that, right? Yeah? You can see the face and everything from your bird's eye view. Anyway, I'm going to glue these down. Do I have hot glue. Would hot glue work, or would it? I think hot glue would work. We're going to try hot glue anyway. Okay, so I'm going to get my hot glue warming up right now. I've got my water, which is just a bottle of water. So I have that to go in there. And I just need to decide if I'm going to add baby oil or not. Probably not. And then for glitter, I'm all the way over here. Can you hear me? I'm going to use the Ranger Stickles glitter stuff. I'm going to use that. And maybe... Oh my God. Are you okay? You kind of died on me there. Anyway, what I was saying was maybe I'm going to use some of this as well. So we'll see. Alright guys, chill out. Let's do the waiting around game while the hot glue gun heats up. And then I will be back once that is ready to go. Hang tight. Alright guys. Ugh. My hot glue gun is ready. Bang bang. Okay, let's go. I also, off camera, scratched up the inside of this so that this will stick down. I also sanded this down so it's nice and flat. So let's see how this does. Hopefully I don't make an ass of myself and have a bunch of leaks. Also, hopefully this hot glue doesn't come undone in the water. I do not have any baby oil on me, or with me, or, yep, that's what I said. So I'm not going to add any baby glue, oh my god, Megan, baby oil to this. So this is what it looks like so far. If I can get the camera to focus, there we go, very cute. And then this is going to go on top, like so, but with water and the glitter inside. And I'll probably hot glue it shut as well, because the hot glue will stick to this pretty well, I think. But my idea for filling this with water is to roll this down again. Hopefully I can do it somehow, some way. There we go. So roll this down and then cradle this into it so that it won't flop over when I'm trying to fill it up. If I can get it level. There we go. Okay, that's pretty good. Should I do second angle? Okay, let me set up the second angle. Hang tight. All right. Hopefully the audio on the phone isn't bad. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. Until about there. And let's go ahead and put our glitters and things in. Need the little spoon. Oh look, it's already starting to flow down. Love it. Okay. So that's enough of the unicorn skin. And then let's put some of this in there. Okay. So now we're going to take our hot glue gun and hopefully get this to work. Let's wipe that off. Oh. Okay. Let's switch back to overhead view. Okay. Alright. Oh, sorry. Okay. There we go. I guess it's kind of the moment of truth here. Will it hold the water? Nope. Okay. So we do have some leakage. So let's do this. Let's take our hot glue gun. Okay. And then, once that's dried, we can kind of clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes and then we'll come back. I'm going to clean up my mess. Okay, hang tight, guys. This it's looking great so far, guys. I hope you believe in me. Please believe in me. Alright, guys. The glue is all dried. I cleaned it up a little bit with my fingernails, as very professional as that is. One major flaw is this huge bubble in it. But, you know, it's something I can improve upon. Clearly I can improve upon this concept and figure it out. Maybe I need to buy some 5-minute epoxy or something to seal it up, or use regular epoxy, which would take 24 hours, which I don't really have a lot of time of. So, yeah, I don't know. I think it's cute. I think it's whatever. I do wish that I'd used a different glitter, because this glitter right here, it just looks like kind of muck in there. This looks great in it. But the glitter itself makes it very, what's the word? Unclean looking. Yes, unclean looking. But anyway, I tried, you guys, and you know what? There's no harm in trying and no harm in learning. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching me fail yet again, please let me know by hitting that like button. It really helps me out. Also, if you like content like this, please stick around by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. I hope you guys have a fantabulous day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys.